Hello all traders, today is Monday 10th of March 2025 and we're going to look at the trade that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 and CFDs. If we look at the macro chart of 1 hour, we see that the price was fluctuating below the previous day close on all E-minis and tried to retest this during the London session, but it failed and it started to go down pre-market. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price had a slight pullback and then sellers came back and pushed the price lower and it passed the previous daily lows on all E-minis. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price reached some support levels and it gets rejected and the buyers come back, take a long position in a well-established uptrend. And if we have a good deep pullback and the price gets rejected at the resistance level, we take sell short positions in a well-established downtrend. So that's what happened, and when I came back around 11 o'clock, the price reached this support level as you see, and the buyers were coming back, and you can see it here on this green candle. So this wave of uptrend here was taken with setup C with 2 positions on Nasdaq and 1 positions on Dow Jones and 2 positions on S&P 500, and I closed them in upper area of the channel for quick scalp with profit. And since the market became choppy and it was highly volatile and we reached the daily target, I finished trading on this account for the day. So this is the stats on this account that you see it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated because we reached 100% win rate from the 5 long positions taken, with the average winning trades of 252 and the largest winning trade of $500. So that's a summary of some of the trades that I have taken on the futures prop firm accounts. And for the small 5K CFD prop firm accounts, these are the list of trades that I have taken today. 3 long positions and 8 sell short positions were taken on Dow Jones, DAX and S&P 500 CFDs. And you see here profit and loss. So we had about 50% win rate. And with all these trades and the 2 swing trades that were closed, the total balance is now $76.09 with the profit factor of 1.89. And this shows the equity curve of the account from the beginning of the second stage of the challenge. So the closed equity account is almost the same as the day before. And this shows equity curve with the percentage of live drawdown of the account. And as you see, we kept this below 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the 5% daily loss limit imposed by the prop firm. And as you see, we took less risk since last few weeks because of very high volatility and non-trendy market. So our drawdown is about 0.1%. And if the volatility become normal and market trendy, we will take larger position size in order to pass this challenge and get funded. So hope this trade is taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.